Hey friends, it's Kel. Thanks for coming to my channel where I bake something in every video, even if I'm out in the middle of the woods. Today we're going to be baking from a campsite outside of Nederland, Colorado. Our dear friends are in town from Kansas. They're about to start an epic road trip all around the state that's going to be so fun for them, and we get to overlap on the first night and camp together. So tonight I'm going to be baking some s'mores cookies, and tomorrow morning I'll be baking some strawberry banana muffins. So stick around to check it out.
I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
I always say the key to great baking while you're out adventuring is preparation, and you want to do as much prep as you can before you come out into the middle of the woods. Now, how much prep you can do really depends on the recipes you're using and the items that you're making. Cookies are a great make-ahead baked good that you can do almost all the work at home and then bring them out and make the baking part really fast and easy. So tonight I'm making my s'mores cookies, and they start with a graham cracker cookie dough mixed with milk chocolate, and then we're gonna finish off the rest of the s'mores part here in our camp oven. So check out what that preparation looks like.
I'm driving down an empty freeway. No waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
So here's our finished cookie dough in our muffin tins. We're dual purposing our tins this weekend so we can keep everything contained. Gonna get the stove up and going and the oven nice and hot, and then we'll cook these up. We have our warm gooey cookies, but it's not a s'more without a freshly roasted marshmallow. So time to taste. The gooey sticky marshmallow made it very difficult to cut. Should have just picked it up with my hands and taken a bite, but I think that means it's gonna make it taste really good. So let's see. It tastes like a s'more. It's so good. I got so excited about my cookies, I couldn't even talk about them properly. But now that I have finished it, and might be going back for a second, I can share that it is still really good. It's like the perfect combination between a chocolate chip cookie and a s'more. And there's some graham cracker flavor in the cookie. The melted chocolate is all melted all the way through. And then of course, the star of the show, the marshmallow on top just really put the icing, so to speak, on the cake. So I'm gonna go have another one, and then I'm gonna sit and relax by the fire and enjoy my evening, and then tomorrow morning I'll be baking some more. Good morning. It's bright and early at our campsite and time to make some breakfast. Unfortunately, you can't prep muffins at home in the same way that I prepped my cookie dough last night. And I'm just gonna whip it up this morning. Luckily, muffins are really fast to just throw together. So we'll get this going and have some strawberry banana muffins alongside some sausage and veggie sausage and eggs this morning. And coffee, always coffee. Step 1, coffee is achieved. Check out all of the prep that I was able to do on my muffins before we came out into the woods while I get going on throwing them together. Nothing like freshly baked goodies in the morning when you're out enjoying the beautiful Colorado mountain air. Our friends have headed down the road to their next adventure. We're lingering a bit here. It's always hard to leave beautiful sights like this and head back into the city. But we're gonna make up another batch of muffins, pack up, and head back down to Denver. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps, and I hope to see you again soon.